Is Bitcoin dying? With high fees, slow transactions, and whales controlling the market, is it time for a new king? Here is Pi Network. Fast, mobile-friendly, and aiming for mass adoption. Could Pi be the future of crypto? Stick around because today we are diving deep into Bitcoin's decline and whether Pi Network is the next big thing. Bitcoin has been the leader of crypto for over a decade, but let's be real, it's got some serious issues. Problem number one, high transaction fees. Just sending Bitcoin can cost $20 or more in fees. That's insane for daily transactions. Problem number two, slow transactions. Bitcoin can only handle 7 transactions per second. Compare that to Visa's 24,000 per second. Problem number 3. Whales control the market. Did you know that over 40% of Bitcoin is held by a small number of wallets? That means a few people can manipulate the price. This is where the Pi network comes in, a project designed for the people. Mobile mining. Anyone with a smartphone can mine Pi. No expensive hardware needed. Free transactions. Pi transactions are instant and have little to no fees. Decentralization. Pi aims to be a currency for everyday people, not just the elite whales. Now, let's be fair. Bitcoin is the most secure and widely adopted cryptocurrency, but Pi Network is solving key problems Bitcoin struggles with. So, can Pi replace Bitcoin? Not yet, but it has the potential to be the go-to digital currency for everyday use. If Pi gets listed on major exchanges and builds real-world adoption, who knows? So, what do you think? Will Pi Network be the next big thing? Or is Bitcoin still the king? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates. See you in the next video.